Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mond and today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 11 of self-practice 8E of chapter 8. Chapter name is Ratio, Proportion and Unitary Method of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state board. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 11, self-practice 8E, chapter 8. Chapter name is Ratio, Proportion and Unitary Method and topic is proportion. Let's solve some questions. Question number 3. Find x in the following proportions. First bit A. 24x, 18 and 15. We have to find the value of x. If A, B, C, D, four numbers are in proportions, then A is to B, A divided by B is equal to C divided by D. This implies 24. It is given that 24x, 18, 15 are in proportions. That is 24 is to x is proportional to 18 is to 15. So 24 is to x is equal to 15 is to 18 is to 15. 24 divided by x is equal to 18 divided by 15. Now we have to cross multiply. 24 multiplied with 15 is equal to 18 multiplied with x. That is x is equal to 24 multiplied by 15 divided by 18. We have to transpose this 18 to the left hand side. That is multiplication becomes a division. Now divide 18 and 24 with 6. 6 3 are 18 and 24 divided by 6 is 4. Now dividing 15 and 3. 3 5 are 15. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So value of x is 20. So value of x is 20. So value of x is 20. Now B bit 3, 8, x and 128. We have to find the value of x. These numbers are in proportion. Then we have to find the value of x. If A, B, C, D are in proportions, then A is to B is proportional to C is to D. That is A divided by B is equal to C divided by D. And given 3 is to 8 is equal to x is to 128. 3 divided by 8 is equal to x divided by 128. That is, we have to cross multiply. 3 multiplied by 128 is equal to 8 multiplied with x. this implies x is equal to, we have to transpose this value 8 to the left hand side, that is we have to multiplication changes to division. 3 multiplied by 28, 128 is divided by 3 multiplied by 128 divided by 8. Cancelling 8 and 120. 8 1 is 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. 48. 8 6 is 48. Now 3 multiplied by 16 is 48. So value of x is 48. So value of x is 48. Now we solve question number 3rd bit C. Find the x in the following proportions: 36, x and 16. These are the numbers given and we have to find the these numbers are in proportion. 36, x and 16 are in proportion and we have to find the value of x. 4 numbers, we know 4 numbers. These 4 numbers 36, x and 16. These are the 4 numbers are in proportion. This is given. We know if 4 numbers ABCD are proportion, then product of extremes is equal to product of mean. That is AD equal to BC. So here x multiplied by x is 36 multiplied by 16 and x is equal to square root of 36 multiplied by 16. 36 is 6 multiplied by 6 and 16 is 4 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 6 multiplied by 6. Square root of this number is 6 multiplied by 6, that is one single 6, and 4 multiplied by 4, 2 4 is single 4, that is 24. So value of x is 24. Now we can check, we can verify this number x is 24 or not. If x is 24, then it will be in proportion, and if it is not, then it is not in proportion. We have to check whether our answer is correct or not. So the 4 numbers ABCD are in proportion, that is AD equal to BC. So here 36, x, we got x is 24 and 24 and 16. These are the 4 numbers are in proportion. It is given. So product of extreme is AD. AD, that is 36 multiplied by 16. And 36 multiplied by 16 is 6. 576. And product of mean is BC, that is 24 multiplied by 24, which is equal to 576. So our answer is correct. So x equal to 24 is correct. So value of x is 24. So value of x is 24. For now we have to solve DB 15, 45 and x. It is given that these three numbers are in proportion, and we know that if the numbers, four numbers A, B, C, D, four numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion, then AD is equal to BC. That is, product of extreme is product of mean. And it is given that these numbers 15, 45, 45 and x are in proportion. So 15 is to 45 is proportional to 45 is to x. That is, product of extreme is product of mean. Product of extreme will be 15 multiplied by x, 15x, and product of mean is 45 multiplied by 45, BC, 45 multiplied by 45. So 15x product of extreme, product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So 15x is equal to 45 multiplied by 45. This implies x, when this will transpose to the right hand side, that is 15 here multiplied with x, when 15 transpose to the right hand side, it will be divide. That is, multiplication and division are inverse operation. So we have to divide 15 with 45 multiplied by 45, and 15 and 45 is cancelled. 15 3 is 45. So x is 45 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 135. So value of x is 135. So value of x is 135. This is the answer. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.